everybody, so today we're going to be making some seasoning, Haitian seasoning. So I prepare my own seasoning to cook, to marinate my meat. I usually store it. It lasts about maybe a month or so. You can also make more to freeze up. So this is parsley, and it just depends on how much are you making, guys. So I have parsley, which I'm going to wash, okay? I have leeks, okay, lots of leeks. I have, what is this called? Scallions, or green onions. So I have about like 4 of them. Okay, so these are all my scallions and pepper. Next, we have fresh garlic. So everything is going to go in the blender. And these are some Habanero Peppers, hot peppers. So it depends on how much are you making. So you want to put a couple of them, so that way it can have like enough, you know, like a little to it, okay, like a little spice to it. And then once I'm done with all of that, blend, and I also put some black pepper, okay, lemon pepper, Lawrys, Adobo. Okay. I also put a couple packs of the Goya mix, and to blend everything, I'm gonna use vegetable oil. Okay, so you can put onions. You can also put a little ginger if you like. That's you know, it's your preference. All right, so make sure you follow, and let me know if you have any questions. Comment down below and subscribe and share. All right, so thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you all. So this is, I'm cutting the leeks. So these are green onions. I'm gonna cut and then also put in. Warning, these are teary eyes, so your eyes are gonna get teary. I washed them already. So these are parsley, and all I'm doing is, I got like maybe about three bunch. All I'm doing is cutting it. Let me cut out the ends first, so that way you throw these in the trash. Here it is right here. We have the leeks, green onions, parsley, red and yellow onions, green peppers, red peppers, ginger, and some Habanero peppers and garlic. Okay, so we're gonna blend everything together. All right, so this is what it looks like. Okay. And then I usually pour it in a container like this. Round one, and then I'm gonna go for round two. So here it is. I'm doing this one, second batch. So this is the final product. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Some people add a little bit more, some people blend a little bit more, some people add more things, or maybe not. So it just depends. You just have to try and do your very best. Everyone cooks differently. Everyone makes this, it's called Epis. Season it different, but this is how I made it. Hopefully this was helpful. If you like this video, please send me a positive comment, like it and share it, subscribe, all the things. Thank you so much for watching.